Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Now tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, smart typing options are over here. You can also tap on more typing options at the bottom to manage all of those as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!